He who is faithful with little will be faithful with much. If you can't be entrusted with the littlest things, how can you be entrusted with bigger things, with bigger responsibilities? Kung gusto mong ma-promote at mabigyan ng mas maraming responsibilidad, you need to make sure kung ano yung ini-entrust sa'yo, no matter how little it is, or feeling mo na sa yung position mo hindi pa talaga mataas, ginagawa mo ba yung best mo doon? Because kung doon pa lang sa mas maliit na responsibilidad, hindi mo binibigay yung best mo, paano ka mapagkakatiwalaan ng mas malaking oportunidad? Yung maganda doon, kahit maliit pa lang, you are building your competence, even you are building your character. So, napaka-importante, even in the littlest things, we will be faithful. Yun lang, pagka naging faithful ka, more responsibility will be given to you. Kung gusto mo yun. But it's something na we can live by. He who is faithful with little will be faithful